Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A5 Sportback Sport 35 TDI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the white paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance, and is also a part of the approved used range, which does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Looking at the key features now, and with this being the sport model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sport styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design, as well as the side profile with those lovely side skirts in body matching colour. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional sport 18-inch 5J twin spoke design aluminium wheels, which really complement that lovely white paintwork. To the side now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as also protecting those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A5 Sportback, where we find up to 480 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional black rock stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is for them for added comforts, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes this vehicle perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the sports model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from these full sports leather seats, which are very comfortable, have a sporty design and do have the black stitching to complement. Looking above now, we find the virtual cockpit, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, you can access radio stations, telephone connectivity and vehicle information. Moving towards the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which is featured the SATI navigation. It does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we find the optional 360 camera, which does make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A5 Sportback Sport, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.